Hi guys, I was gifted from the seller these Matchwave metal containers that you can use as grease, a grease container for your barbecue grill. I, however, use them to do multiple different things in my kitchen. I was gifted a 100-pack, but they come in multiple different quantity sizes. As you can see, they are sturdy. I have baked cakes in these. I have made chicken pot pies in these. I also give them to my kids to have their snacks in, because then I can just throw them away, or they're reusable. So I've made many different things in here, muffins, little pancake bowls, anything like that. I do use them in my air fryer. If I'm trying to warm something up, I can just pop them in my air fryer and then take the container out. They're handy if you're having a popcorn night, movie night. You can just throw everybody's popcorn, a little bit of popcorn in there. Or if you are having a barbecue, you can also do chips. It's limitless on what you could put in these. But that's what I use these for. So if you're in the market to get some grease liners for your barbecue grill and also get enough to do other things with, I would definitely recommend this set. Have a great night. Thanks.